Hi guys, I'm going to show you how you can find trending songs on Instagram, one for your reels or for your posts. So I'm going to show you two ways how you could do that easily, right? One's on Instagram and then the other is actually just using some websites that are very, very helpful. So now that we're on Instagram, first way to kind of do this, and this is my iPad. I am using my iPad here just so you are aware. So in case you're not seeing the same thing, but you should have an idea. Okay, in this instance, we go to, again, I'm going to pick the plus sign here at the bottom. Just to start it off, we pick the plus sign here, and I'm going to go to reel. As you see, I'm going to go to reel at the bottom, right? At the bottom here, I pick the reel, and then you see trending here. All right, I'm going to select trending. And as you can see, this says these are the top 50 audio tracks with a sharp rise in reels usage over the past 3 days. Tracks that go against our community guidelines aren't included. So as you can see, it's still loading here, probably because of the bandwidth and whatnot. But this is one place where you can find it. Now, another place that I actually go to that I really like is the websites. Two websites is what I should say, right? The first one is later.com, right? On later.com, they have a blog that covers the top Instagram Reels trends to try during the week. And what is so cool is if you scroll down on their page, you look to the left here, you can see they've been stacking this for a while. You know, they've been stacking this for a while. So, but this is the Reels, September Reels trends. We've clicked that here, and it tells you what are the trending Reels on Instagram for September, the 2023 roundup. And so all you have to do is then scroll through their page here to pick the Reels. So to look for the audio is what I should say. And see some of the reels that have the audio. So we're going to click original audio here. Let's see what's going on here. Does it show for us? Okay. So I'm going to go here and close the Instagram app out actually. And then go back here. And now let's click original audio. Let's see what happens. Now, as you can see, this tells us it's trending. How? Because you could see it here, right? You see the arrow that shows that it's trending and the word actually trending here. And if you click the reels, you should be able to see the trending right here as well. You know, that's it right there. So once you see trending, you know it's trending. So as you can see, that site really helps you out when you are looking for it, right? Looking for the audios that's trending. So once all you got to do is just click through it and find the one that sort of like matches your vibe. As you can see here, this is also trending. 877 reels. It shows you the videos that they're trending on. Okay, so that is using, I believe this is later, right? And that's pretty cool. Another one that you could also use is Slaying Social. Slaying Social, if you go to their Slaying Social page that has trending songs, audio Instagram reels right here, and then you scroll down. You do have to scroll down on the page, though, is what I've noticed. So you scroll down over here, you see notable Instagram Reel trending songs and audio, September 25th, 2023. And this is quite current because, look, it's September 28th right now. So this is quite current. So what I also like is they sort of summarize this, right, in just bullet points. Not like Slaying Social where it's kind of stacked. How I like to say it, like the bullet points are stacked. These ones are just pretty much simplified. So that's kind of cool. So you could just scan through it and you don't have to scroll through the whole page. But again, it's at the bottom. So here, let's just click this song and see what happens here. Well, that one's not showing. Wonder why. But you get the drift because you've seen it in the other page. So see here at the bottom, it shows it's trending again, as you can see right here. So that's how you want to be able to find the songs that are trending, right? All you have to do is that. Now, again, a few ways to do it is to actually use the Instagram app to look at what's trending, or to go to these websites and to just pick the videos or the trends that or the audios that you think you might like over here. As you can see, this is trending over here. It tells you the reels. And if you don't want that, though, again, you could go to your plus sign over here and go to reel at the bottom, go to trending, and see what comes up also there for you. I hope this was helpful. If it is, like the video, Subscribe to our channel so you can continue to see content that's very helpful to you. And until next time, take care.